So today in this video, I just want to share that this is a very useful thing in our house, and we all the times we use in Aircon. So if your Aircon is the swing is a very strong, then these things you can be protect from the Aircon diseases. So sometimes if your Aircon is a very focused to your back place or your living room, then you can use this tool to protect direct swim to your place. So I just bought these things from the online, and so these things will protect me from the aircon wind diseases. So this is very simple. This we blow the airflow directly, the airflow to our body parts. And press, wait. Alright, so this is a very simple. So these things I'm going to protect to my aircon. So my aircon is right here. Right, so I'm going to hang on the aircon over there. Right, you can just simply hang on the aircon body up there. So let me hang. Alright, so you can just hook on the body over there. So you're gonna see in this position. So you can adjust. So that means that these things, once you turn on your aircon, then the wind will not directly focus to our body. So I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.